What's up, guys? So today I'm going to talk about just self-improvement in general, and I'm going to be very general today. I'm going to be spontaneous, and hopefully my insights and messages can help you, and maybe you can implement some of this stuff, or you can at least take something away from this video. I don't have anything written down or anything scripted or a particular message that I want to talk about, but I did tell myself that I was going to make a video, and so here I am making a video. And yeah, the goal of this channel is to provide authentic educational content, unedited. That way you can connect to me on a more like human level, and it's almost like I'm talking to you in person. I'm talking to you as if we're just having a conversation. So if I've already lost you, then I apologize. But anyways, I had a the idea to talk about goal setting, and I just got like nervous because I felt like the yeah, I had a belief that like who am I to talk about goal setting? And what I realized is that a lot of the a lot of the reasons why I quit these or like quit the video midway is because I'm talking about something and I'm explaining something and I have this like belief in my head that I'm not good at explaining things or no one's paying attention or this is getting boring or and now actually talking about this, what I'm realizing is that these are just a collection of negative beliefs. And so that's that's actually probably what I need to work on the most is my internal dialogue. Because think about it, if I had a more positive internal dialogue and I was telling myself like, you're doing good, man, keep it up, keep on going, you know, then my videos would be better and I would just be displaying more confidence. But if I'm having these negative beliefs like you don't know what you're talking about, or no one's gonna believe you, or I I don't know, or no one's paying attention, or this is getting boring, or your videos aren't that good, or you know, I know it sounds bad, and it does sound like I am like beating myself up, which I am, and I'm realizing that right now that that's why I've been stopping these videos is because as I'm talking, I'm getting these negative beliefs mid video, and I guess I wasn't aware of that until now, until talking it out. So I guess I just have to own up to it and own up to the fucking fears. If I own up to the fucking fears, then I'll be able to be more confident when I'm talking. Then I'll be more still. Then I'll be okay with silence. I don't feel like I have to rush through the video. I can feel more comfortable. But the only way I can do that is if I am actively, if if I actively have a good internal dialogue. And so maybe what I need to do is to consciously talk to myself better, you know, consciously view myself better, consciously view myself as someone who does know what they're talking about, consciously view myself as someone who is explaining this well. I am doing good. Yeah, and I just got a thought like, oh, people are gonna think this is crazy, or like people are gonna think this is weird. So maybe the key be is to notice these negative like belittling thoughts and not listen to them. I could say fuck you if I want to. All right, that was actually weird. That was actually weird. Um, but anyways, hopefully this video can help you if you personally struggle with negative, like constant negative thoughts and constant like beating yourself up. Because I'm gonna be honest, I struggle with that myself sometimes. You know, when I'm working out, it's like sometimes I have thoughts of like, oh, like this person's looking at me, or like I have to make sure I'm sitting in a certain way. I have to do this, I have to do this, and I have to look this way when I'm like it's it's pretty bad, but I think that that is my next step of self-improvement is to work on the internal dialogue that I have for myself. And yeah, like I already feel more still and more calm, and it feels easier to explain shit because now I'm talking to myself a little bit better. I'm becoming aware of when I have the tendency to like give myself like a belittling thought. And so that is really how you gain control. That is really how you will start to improve yourself, is when you notice your negative self-talk. That's the key, is noticing it. And also actively placing positive thoughts. I am doing good. I am explaining this well. I am capturing your attention. I know I am. So, yeah, I challenge you to start talking to yourself better, and I will too. So, yeah, if you like this video, give it the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you want more like personalized coaching on mindset and developing better habits and getting into shape, eating consistently, or if you're struggling with porn addiction, I do personalized coaching. So you can check out that link in the description and maybe we can work together. Thanks for watching.